Let's now look at a new configuration using a Bluetooth action cam like the Insta360. In this setup, we have two intercom units that I'm going to turn on and pair using the central button to enable intercom communication between them. We'll wait for the pairing to finish, and now we'll continue by pairing the Bluetooth camera. The camera must be paired as a second device, so I'll turn on the camera now to get it ready. Now go into its Bluetooth pairing settings, take your time here, and then on our BTR1 Advanced X or the BTR1 device, I'll begin the pairing process. This means I'll start connecting the devices so they can communicate with each other. For the second device, by pressing the volume down button. On the camera, I'll see BTR1 Advanced X, and I'll confirm the pairing. Since I paired the camera with the volume down button, the volume up button pairing for the main phone is still free to pair my phone. So I'll hold down the volume up button and put the interphone into pairing mode. I'm pairing my phone. And now I have both the phone and the camera connected. To record, all I have to do is start the recording on the Insta360, and at that point it will start recording the voice from my microphone. If I want to record the voice from the microphone of my intercom partner as well, I just need to open the communication intercom. Once the intercom is open, both voices of the two riders or the rider and passenger will be recorded in the Insta360.